Okay, here's our layout starting with the kitchen and our elevation view of the kitchen. Going to 3D so we can see a layout. These are revisions that were made this morning from changing the fridge, 36-inch opening. The left side of this pantry stayed the same, which stretched the pantry to 42 inches wide with adjustable shelving behind the doors, 48-inch range. Okay, here is our layout for the kitchen. Looking at it in 3D with some of the changes that were made today. Changes being the fridge down to a 36. The left side of the pantry stayed the same, was stretched 12 inches wider to the right. So this is now, I believe, 42. 48-inch range with an appliance hood. Spice pull out. So this pulls out like a drawer with 3 fixed shelves on the inside for olive oil and spice bottles. Cookie sheet or tray divider on the right. This cabinet in the corner, this door opens up and shelving goes all the way to the far left. And this right cabinet dies into that. Lazy Susan in the corner. Trash pull out, pulls out like a drawer, and there's 2 50-quart containers. Sink, dishwasher, and a full height or pantry cabinet here. Back of the island we have storage. These are 12-inch deep cabinets, what we call wings on the ends, or on the back rather, and these, I think, 12-inch wide cabinets on the ends or sides of the island. So those wings are 11 1/4, and the cabinets on the ends are 12 5/8. Looking at this in elevation view, this is the island front. If we put a microwave here, there's a drawer underneath. So this is the side facing the range. 42-inch pantry. All right, next room. Let's go to, well, let's just start at the top of the list here. So the laundry room. Full height linen cabinet, our washer and dryer, sink on the left here, and uppers across the top. The lower level bathroom, linen cabinet, 2 sinks either side, drawer stack in the middle. Master. And these vanity cabinets are 21 deep, which is standard, and the top of the countertop is the same height as the kitchen, 36, which is what most jobs are going out these days. In the past, vanities have been a little bit lower, maybe 34, but 90% of the jobs we do are all 36. But 2 sinks and 9 drawers in here. We've done the kitchen, little vanity downstairs between bedroom 1 and 2, 48 wide drawer stacks either side. A closet. This is one of the closets downstairs. It's going to be a little tough to look at, but as what we can do here is let's hide. Okay. So the top of this would be, I believe, 96 inches, a chrome oval clothes rod about 2 inches down from this horizontal partition. This is fixed. This is not adjustable. Same with this. And the cabinet case is 16 inches deep. The close rod center is 12 inches from the back, so the hangers and clothes stick out a little bit, which is typical in a closet. Now we have done it where we make these 24 deep, so the clothes do not stick out past, but this is a decent sized closet. But if we make all those 24 deep, I would not recommend, because it's going to encroach so much on here. But we can change this up a bit. Instead of having all open hanging, we can take a look at each elevation view and identify what we want to do. This is wall 4, the doors here, and wall 3. So for example, we're looking at wall 3, we could maybe delete this and make this tall storage for dresses or coats, or change this to adjustable shelves, or put a drawer stack in here, 3 or 4 drawers. Now, being the cabinets are 16 deep, the drawer box would be 15 inches from front to back, which is still a reasonably sized drawer. But we can do drawer stacks or shelves wherever. We just need to identify where we want to do that. This is the closet upstairs. And what I typically ask clients to do, measure how many linear feet of clothes rod you currently have, and we can add up what we have here. So this is the inside opening, so that clothes rod would be 39 inches, to see how much you're going to have compared to what you do have. And also what is typical, it's somewhat awkward, but this the way it is, I guess, with this cabinet dying into the face of here. We can end it where that right corner of this cabinet and this left corner come together, so we don't have this somewhat awkward space, but it's still usable. But if we do that, if the corners come face to face, we have a big dead corner, but you don't have that awkward space reaching into there. So most clients choose to do this, even though it's a little awkward to get stuff in there. It's still usable for seasonal items to put back in the corners. This is some storage cabinets, I believe, downstairs. Half bath. Sink in the center, drawer stacks either side. And last is the wine bar. Took a little liberty here to lay this out. The sink's on center, that's where it should be. 9 feet 2 inches, I believe, the base run. And possibly if we just take this upper cabinet, glass doors, and a glass shelving, and do floating shelves across here for some storage. All right, that's the layout of the job. Let me know. Thank you.